Hello, children. I hope you all are happy and strong today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here, every day, we will sing, dance, and have a lot of fun together. यहाँ हम गाने गाएंगे, डांस करेंगे और साथ मिलकर खूब मजे करेंगे. Are you all ready to have some fun? Please stand up and come a little closer to your TV. प्लीज खड़े हो जाएं और अपनी टीवी के जरा सा नजदीक आ जाएं. Now I request all of you to join me in this wonderful song. Children, today we will sing the vegetable song. Carrots, peas and beetroots, oh, all of them are so good. Now clap your hands if you eat them too. I eat my veggies every day, in the night and in the day. Now clap your hands if you do this too. Corn, cucumber and cauliflower are veggies that make us stronger. Now clap your hands if you eat them too. Beans, radish and potatoes always keep us on our toes. Now clap your hands if you eat them too. I hope you all had fun singing and dancing with me. Now let us learn some new words. चलो अब हम कुछ नए शब्द सीखते हैं. S I S T E R. Sister, sister, sister. I have a little sister. G R A N D M O T H E R. Grandmother, grandmother, grandmother. My grandmother makes lovely laddus. U N C L E. Uncle, uncle, uncle. My uncle is a doctor. A U N T. Aunt, aunt, aunt. My aunt gifts me lovely earrings. M O D H E R. Mother, mother, mother. I love my mother a lot. Now let us read these words once again. And this time I want all of you to repeat these words after me. अब मैं इन शब्दों को एक और बार दोहराऊंगी, लेकिन इस बार मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी इन शब्दों को मेरे साथ पढ़ें. Are you all ready? Let's go. Our first word is sister. Can you try to say sister? Good. Our next word is grandmother. Can you try to say grandmother? Very good. Now our next word is uncle. Can you try to say uncle? Good. Our next word is aunt. Can you try to say aunt? Very good. Now our last word is mother. Can you try to say mother? Very, very, very good. Now, I hope all of you were able to repeat these words after me. Children, can you all tell me what do we mean by family? बच्चों, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि family इस शब्द का क्या मतलब है? Yes, our mother, father, brother, sister, and a lot of other people are our family. हमारे माता, पिता, भाई, बहन और इनके साथ साथ बहुत सारे अलग लोग हमारा परिवार होते हैं. Now, can you all tell me why is family so important? क्या आप मुझे ये बता सकते हैं कि परिवार इतना ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण क्यों होता है? Family is very, very important because they love us and they also protect us. परिवार इतना ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण इसलिए होता है क्योंकि वो हमसे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं और वो हमारी रक्षा भी करते हैं. In today's chapter, we will learn the names of different relations in English. आज हम अलग-अलग रिश्तों को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं वो सीखेंगे. Please open page number 62 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, please point your finger on the words as I read them. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो अपनी उंगली को मेरे साथ शब्दों पर रखें. But if you don't have a textbook, please don't worry. Listen to me carefully. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, मुझे ध्यान से सुनिए. The name of our chapter is My Family. Let us look at this picture first. Here we see a father, a mother, a son and a daughter. इस तस्वीर में हमें पिता, माँ, बेटा और बेटी नजर आ रहे हैं. Now let us move to our next picture. Here we see those two children. यहाँ हमें वो दो बच्चे नजर आ रहे हैं. This is the brother and this here is the sister. ये भाई है और ये बहन. Now let us move to our next picture here. Here we see the grandfather. Now grandfather is the father of our father or mother. Grandfather हमारे माँ या पिता के पिता होते हैं. And we also see a grandson here. यहाँ हमें पोता भी नजर आ रहा है. Now let us move to our next picture here. Here we see a grandmother. Now grandmother is the mother of our father or mother. Grandmother हमारे माँ या पिता की माँ होती है. Here we also see granddaughter. यहाँ हमें पोती भी नजर आ रही है. Now let us see some more relations. Now here let us look at this picture. Now here we see an uncle. Uncle is the brother of our father. Uncle हमारे पिता के भाई होते हैं. Here we also see an aunt. Aunt is the wife of uncle. Aunt uncle की पत्नी है. Now, their son or daughter is our cousin. Uncle और आंटी के बेटा या बेटी हमारे cousin होते हैं. Now let us move to this picture here. Here we see uncle. We all know that uncle is the brother of our father. हम सभी जानते हैं कि अंकल हमारे पिता के भाई हैं. And for uncle, this boy here is his nephew. अंकल के लिए ये लड़का उनका nephew है, यानी भतीजा है. Now let us move to this picture here. In this picture, we see aunt. We all know that aunt is uncle's wife. हम सभी जानते हैं कि aunt uncle की पत्नी है. And for aunt, this girl here is her niece. Aunt के लिए ये लड़की उनकी भतीजी हुई. Children, here we talked about uncle and aunt. यहाँ हमने अंकल और आंटी के बारे में बात की. But our mother's brother is also called our uncle. Similarly, our father's sister or mother's sister is also called our aunt. हमारे मम्मी के भाई हो या पापा के भाई, वो दोनों हमारे लिए अंकल होते हैं. और उसी तरह हमारे पापा की बहन हो या मम्मी की बहन, वो दोनों हमारे लिए आंट होती है. I hope you all like this chapter. Now let us do an activity. On your screen, you will see 4 columns. In the first column, you will see some letters. In the second column, you have to write the letter A. In the third column, you have to write the letter N. And in the final column, we will have made a new word. अब आपको आपके स्क्रीन पर 4 कॉलम्स दिखाई देंगी. पहले कॉलम में कुछ अक्षर लिखे होंगे. दूसरे कॉलम में आपको A ये लेटर लिखना है. तीसरे कॉलम में आपको N ये लेटर लिखना है. और चौथे कॉलम पर पहुंचते ही हमने एक नया शब्द बना लिया होगा. Are you all ready? Let's go. Let us look at our first letter. Our first letter is B. And then we write A and N. हमारा सबसे पहला अक्षर है B. उसके बाद हम A और N लिखेंगे. So our new word is ban. हमारा नया शब्द है ban. Now let us look at our next letter. Our next letter is C. हमारा अगला अक्षर है C. Then we have to write A and N. C-A-N is can. C-A-N can होता है. So our new word is can. Now let us look at our next letter. Our next letter is F. हमारा अगला अक्षर है F. Then we write A and N. F-A-N is fan. हमारा नया शब्द है fan. Our next letter is P. Then we write A and N. P-A-N is pan. P-A-N pan होता है. Our last letter is M. Then we write A N. M-A-N is man. M-A-N man होता है. So, our new words are ban, can, fan, pan and man. Wow! We made 5 new words. हमने 5 नए शब्द बनाए. Similarly, we will do another activity. But this time, instead of A and N, we will write I and N. अब पहले जैसे हमने A और N लिखा, इस बार हम I और N लिखेंगे. Are you all ready? Our first letter is P. हमारा सबसे पहला अक्षर है P. Then we write I and N. P-I-N is pin. P-I-N pin होता है. Our next letter is T. हमारा अगला अक्षर T है. Then we write I and N. T-I-N is tin. T-I-N tin होता है. Our next letter is B. Then we write I-N. B-I-N is bin. B-I-N bin होता है. Our last letter is W. Then we write I-N. W-I-N is win. W-I-N win होता है. So the 4 new words are pin, tin, bin and win. Did you all like making new words? Now let us do another activity. On your screen, you will see some words. You have to look at the first letter of each word and guess which one is the odd one out. Odd one out means which is the one word that is different from the other words. अब आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर कुछ शब्द दिखाई देंगे. आपको इन शब्दों को गौर से देखना है और ये पहचानना है कि कौन सा शब्द इनमें से सबसे अलग है. अब इसके लिए मैं एक छोटा हिंट देती हूँ. आपको इन शब्दों के सबसे पहले अक्षर को देखना है. All the best! Let us look at our first set of words. The first word is bat. The second word is boat. The third word is bed. The next word is butt. And the last word is hat. Children, Can you all tell me which is the odd word here? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि इन शब्दों में सबसे अलग दिखने वाला शब्द कौन सा है? Yes, hat is the odd one out because all the other words start with the letter B and hat starts with the letter H. This is why hat is different from the others. Hat इस शब्द की शुरुआत H से होती है, लेकिन बाकी सभी शब्दों की शुरुआत B ये अक्षर से होती है और इसी वजह से hat सबसे अलग है. Now let us look at our next set of words. The first word is sun. The next word is lock. The next word is sack. The next word is soap. And the last word is school. Children, can you identify the odd word here? क्या आप इन शब्दों में सबसे अलग कौन सा शब्द है ये पहचान सकते हैं? Yes, lock is the odd one out because all the other words start with the letter S, but lock starts with the letter L. Now let us look at our next set of words. Ladder, leaf, rose, lemon, lip. Children, can you identify the odd word here? बच्चों, इनमें से सबसे अलग कौन सा शब्द है? Yes, rose is the odd word because all the other words start with the letter L, but rose starts with the letter R. बाकी सारे शब्द L इस अक्षर से शुरू होते हैं, लेकिन रोज इकलौता वो शब्द है जो R से शुरू होता है. Now let us look at our next set of words. Cock, cat, dog, clap, can. Children, can you guess the odd word here? Very good. Dog is the odd word here. All the other words start with the letter C, but dog starts with the letter D. Now let us look at our next set of words. Man, nest, monkey, mango, mirror. Children, can you guess the odd word here? Yes, nest is the odd word because all the other words start with the letter M, but nest starts with the letter N. I hope you all like this session. Children, today is the last session for our second standard. It has been a wonderful journey with all of you. I hope all of you had as much fun as I did. बच्चों, आज हमारे दूसरी कक्षा का सबसे आखिरी सेशन है। ये आप सभी के साथ एक बहुत ही रोमांचक सफर रहा है। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि मेरी ही तरह आप सभी को भी बहुत मजा आया हो। I wish all of you all the very best for your future. On this note, stay home, stay safe, and bye bye.